Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. I'm so oblivious. I have no idea what day it is today, but it is Sunday. I worked from 9:30 in the morning until 6:30 at night, and then I went out for a little bit, and now I'm home and it's like almost 10 o'clock, and I'm just desperate to wash my face and get in bed. So I think this is going to be one of those super short videos where I just say hi and I love you and I thank you for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. So thank you for bearing with me where I do a short one and I have hiccups. Okay, it's really time to go now. Bye.